Hello everyone, greetings from the PSC Secondary School, Mylapur Chennai's team, Techstars, and today we are going to represent our model under the topic Atmanirbhar in Bharat, named Voxair for Industrial Air Quality Monitoring Systems.
Hi guys, what are you doing?
We have done our model named Voxair for Industrial Air Quality Monitoring Systems.
In most existing air quality monitoring systems, the system only notifies the people on gas being emitted and not which gas. This makes it exponentially harder for it to mitigate and hence causes thousands of deaths. This is why we have introduced the GDTS system in our model. This uses advanced Python libraries to notify the workers on which gas is being secreted and by how much amounts.
Now let's see how this project works. So in this Voxair system, we are using the Raspberry Pi 3B as the brain of this project, which is the microcontroller. And we are using a series of MQ sensors for detecting if any toxic gas has leaked into the environment. So now let's see one by one. So for detecting smoke, we are using MQ2 sensor, and now when I bring this incense stick near this sensor, it will give alerts.
Alert. Smoke MQ2 detected.
And we can get output in the form of this voice message as well as this LED and buzzer. Now let's see air quality sensor using MQ135.
Alert. Air quality MQ135 detected.
Now let's test alcohol. So this is MQ3 sensor which can detect alcohol, and now I am showing alcohol swab near this sensor. And now we will get alerts.
Alert. Alcohol MQ3 detected.
4 sensor, and this MQ4 sensor is used for detecting methane gas, and this is MQ8 sensor which is used for detecting hydrogen gas. Since we cannot use them since it is highly dangerous, we are just telling how it works. And many other concepts like enabling IoT systems using ESP32 can be done for upgrading this project, and we hope that these alerts in the form of these output devices can alert people, and we can save many precious lives.
Our model can be easily modified for the type of purpose or the type of place it is being used. For example, we can use a network of MQ sensors in industries or using a servo motor in petrol bunks to help mitigate the amount of casualties that occur.
Wow, that sounds really good. But can it be used in residential purposes too?
Yes, it can be used in residential purposes. For example, when you are at school and your parents are at office and your grandparents might have forgotten and turned on the gas stove and forgot to turn it off. If after the model senses it, it can send a message to the phone and alerting that there's a gas leak in the house. And this can prevent the casualties that can occur. Therefore, this is the novelty of our project and helps us stand out in the current market.
And this can be done by integrating IoT concepts using ESP32.
Thank you, Vikshit Bharat team.